Now in this question, this circuit is given to us in which the resistors are 2 ohm and 2 ohm. These two are 8 ohms each and these two are 2 ohms each. And there are resistors of 10 ohm and 10 ohm connected between the branches. This entire circuit is connected to a battery of 48 volts. And we have to find the current through 8 ohm resistors, which is this middle branch, and find the total current in the circuit. That is the current which is coming out of the battery. So these two things we have to find out. Now as you can see, if we only take the upper part, the part above this dotted line, then we know that it is a Wheatstone bridge and it is in balanced condition because the ratio is 2 by 8 and 2 by 8. So it is in balanced condition. And similarly, if we take this lower part from here below this dotted line, again there will be it is a Wheatstone bridge in which the ratio is 8 by 2 and 8 by 2. So by now, after studying all about the Wheatstone bridge, we know that there are two Wheatstone bridges here and they are in balanced condition. So the actual circuit will look something like this, in which we remove the 10 ohm resistance from between, as there will be no current passing through them. These will be 2 ohm resistors, these are 8 ohm resistors, and these are 2 ohm resistors. Now this circuit is pretty simple now. These two are in series, so the equivalent resistance will be 4. The equivalent resistance of this branch will be 16, and again this branch the equivalent resistance is 4. And all the three branches are in parallel to each other. So equivalent resistance will be equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 4. So if you solve this, the value of equivalent resistance will come out to be 16 by 9 ohms. So this will be the equivalent resistance of the entire circuit, and the circuit is connected to a battery of 48 volt. That means the total current in the circuit, this value I, this will be equal to 48 divided by the total resistance of the circuit, which is 16 by 9. So this will come out to be 3 into 9, so this will be 27 amperes. So that means the battery is giving a current of 27 amperes. Now we have to find the current through 8 ohm resistor. So the current in 8 ohm resistors, say I8 ohm, then it will be equal to V by R. Now the potential on this branch will also be the same as the potential of the battery. So V will be equal to 48, and it will be divided by the resistance of the branch. So resistance of the branch is 8 plus 8, that is 16. So it will be 48 divided by 16, which will be 3 amperes. So these two will be the two answers that are being asked.